Right, and 3, 2, 1. Okay, welcome to the Mango Orchard. I'm going to help you out with this. This is a problem solver sheet, RIC Publications. Let's have a go. You can see, for copyright reasons, I can't write down all the questions, but we can go through them because you've got your own sheet there. Okay, so question number 1. Right, the tropical fruit farm, up the top you can see it's got 12 hectares of mangoes, 8 hectares of bananas, and 3 hectares of lychees. Yum. It's probably worth writing that down. I'm pretty sure that's going to be important. Okay, so you think I've got 12 mangoes, 8 hectares of bananas, and 3 hectares of lychees. And let's look at the first question. It says, each hectare of mangoes has 78 trees and is watered on a rotational basis. 3.5 hectares are watered each day before sunrise. How many trees are watered each day, and how many days will it take for all of the trees to be watered? Okay, so I'm going to be writing down some things, drawing some things out here, I think, for sure. Okay, so sometimes it helps to break things down. So I've just got one here because this is question 1. So let's say each hectare has got, oops, a daisy. Well, each hectare has got 78 trees, doesn't it? Great. Okay. 3.5. Okay, and we're told that 3.5 hectares are watered before sunrise, before the sun has even rose or risen. 3.5 hectares are watered. So from that information, just that information there, we should be able to tell how many trees are watered before the sun even rises, because each hectare is 78, isn't it? And 3.5 hectares are watered before sunrise. So with that information, like we can see that well, 1 hectare is going to be, of course, 78 trees, and another hectare is going to be 78 trees, and another hectare is 78 trees. But it's 3.5 hectares here, isn't it? 3.5, 3.5. So what's half of 78? Well, half of 78 is a 39. Okay, so straight away we know that's the amount of trees watered before sunrise. But that's not the question. But we're on the way. Well, whoops-a-daisy, that is part of the question, isn't it? Because that's the only watering the trees get, apparently. They get watered before sunrise. 3.5 hectares get watered before sunrise. So how are you going to find out how many trees that is? Well, you're going to have to add that up. And I'm not going to add that up. You can add that up yourself. You're clever enough. So there's the first part of the answer to question 1. You'll see there's a second question there that says, and how many days will it take for all of the trees to be watered? So for all of the trees to be in the mango orchard to be watered, how many days is it going to take? Okay, well, okay, the new question is how many days till the whole orchard is watered? Okay, well, orchard is watered. Actually, I think it's orchard. How many days till the whole orchard is watered? Right, well, we know already that 3.5 or 3.5 hectares are watered daily, right? So we've got 12 hectares in total, don't we? So it's 3.5 daily. That would mean in 2 days it's going to be 7. Okay, in 2 days. That would mean plus another 3.5, because on the third day that would be 10.5 on the third day. And well, you can tell me on what day will, of course, the whole 12 waters. You tell me on what day will the whole 12 hectares, right? Because there's 12 hectares of mangoes, 12 mangoes, isn't there? 12 hectares of mangoes. You can tell me on what day will the complete orchard have been watered, because there's 3.5 hectares on the first day, 7 hectares on the second day, 10.5 on the third day. Well, I think you can probably work out how to finish it off. Okay, now you're going to have to do that sort of thinking for the whole video, guys. For the whole, sorry, for the other questions as well. Of course, I should be there to help you if you're in my class, and you can just come and see me if they're very tricky. All right, thanks for watching. Cheers.